Hello everyone, welcome to Unknown Facts. So students, in this video we will solve week assignment number 5 of the course Technical English for Engineers. So students, at first we will solve non-graded one, okay? So question number 1 is identify the reference word in the given statement. Some individuals believe that there should be educational qualifications for contesting elections as this would contribute to the growth of the nation. Options are some, this, that, as. So the answer will be this, okay? Question number 2 is which of the following is not a characteristic of an ideal paragraph? So the answer for question number 2 will be option number D, that is a paragraph should contain many ideas to support the argument of your essay, okay? Question number 3 is which of the following is an example of an imperative sentence? Options are students rarely submit their assignments on time. Bring me a glass of water. That was an interesting book. May I borrow a pen? So the answer for question number 3 will be option number B, that is bring me a glass of water, okay? Question number 4, identify the key idea of the following paragraph. So after reading the paragraph, the answer for question number 4 will be option number C, that is Nehru's vision regarding the potential of science both culturally and materially, okay? So the last question is which of the following is not a characteristic of a good essay? Option A is two or more ideas presented in one paragraph. Option B is paragraphs consisting of a single line. Option C is the use of abbreviations and bullet points, and option D is all of the above. So the answer for question number 5 will be all of the above, okay? Let's submit it. So moving to the graded questions. So this consists of in total of 10 number of questions, and we will start it from question number 1. Question number 1 is which of the following is not a recommended approach in structuring an academic essay? Option A is having a clear introduction, body and conclusion. Option B is using linking words to connect ideas within the essay. Option C is including digressions and unrelated information. Option D is ensuring each paragraph has a main point. So the answer for question number 1 will be option number C, okay, including digressions and unrelated informations. So moving to the next question, question number 2 is which of the following is a linking word used to express contrast? Options are for example, additionally, however, firstly. So the answer will be however, okay, that is option number C. For question number 2, option C will be the correct answer. Question number 3 is what is the importance of using referencing words in academic writing? Options are to confuse the reader, to repeat the same nouns for clarity, to make the writing more elegant and avoid repetition, and option number D is to highlight key points in the essay. So the answer for question number 3 will be option number C, to make the writing more elegant and avoid repetition. Question number 4 is what is the purpose of topic sentences in a paragraph? Option A is to confuse the reader. Option B is to summarize the paragraph. Option C is to introduce new ideas. Option D to define the main idea of the paragraph. So the correct answer will be to define the main idea of the paragraph, that is option number D. For question number 4, option D will be the correct answer. Question number 5 is which of the following is a linking word used to sequence ideas? Option A is therefore, option B is furthermore, option C is firstly, and option number D is in conclusion. So the answer will be firstly, okay? Option number C will be the correct answer. Question number 6 is why is paragraph important in writing? Option A is to make the text longer. Option B is to help the reader. Option C is to organize ideas and improve readability. Option number D is to eliminate the need for topic sentences. So the answer for question number 6 will be option number C, to organize ideas and improve readability. Question number 7 is in the sentence the circuit is completed. The verb is completed is an example of an imperative sentence, a passive construction, an adverbial phrase, and option number D is a complex sentence structure. So answer will be a passive construction, that is option number B. Question number 8 is what is the purpose of an essay according to the class? Options are to entertain the reader with creative stories, to communicate complex ideas and arguments effectively. Option number C is to summarize key points from a book or article. And option number D is to analyze scientific experiments and their results. So the answer for question number 8 will be option number B, that is to communicate complex ideas and arguments effectively. Question number 9 is which of the following is both an adjective and an adverb? Option A is fast, option B is hardworking, option number C is pretty, and option D is unprepared. So the answer will be fast. Fast is both an adjective and an adverb. So the last question is what should the conclusion of an essay include? Option number A is new information that supports the thesis. Option number B is an emotional appeal to the reader. Option number C is a call to action for the reader to take a specific step. And option number D is a summary of the main points without introducing new information. So before telling you the correct answer for question number 10, I am requesting you to please like the video if it helps you to score good marks in the assignments, and please share the video with needy ones. Okay. So the answer for question number 10 will be option number D, that is a summary of the main points without introducing new information. So we have solved all the questions. Let's submit it. Viewers, thanks for watching the video. Please share the video. Thank you.